Expectations versus standards. The interesting thing about having expectations, and why I say that you should always put your standards above the expectations, not that you shouldn't have expectations and think the best of everything, because just innately and bobbing high and always wanting to be in your lightest version, you want to make sure that you have high expectations. But it's something about when you have standards, you won't even allow yourself to get into places where your expectations are not met. So it's very important that you have standards as well, meaning that because I have a standard that I will only involve myself in this, or I only will participate in this, or I only will have a relationship that looks like this, it won't allow me to have an experience where my expectations are not met. Does that make sense? So I always think about like the workplace, and sometimes when we're in the place of trying to figure out, how can we be our best version, and always operating in the sense of fulfilling our purpose daily, is making sure that our standards are always at a place that when we are moving forward and all the things that we do every single day, that our expectations are at a place that even if something does not match my standard, the expectation, it really doesn't matter, right? Because my standard will be able to look at it as like, definitely won't be participating in that anymore. Or like, oh my gosh, that was wonderful. You'll be able to relate to it and you'll want more of that. I wanted to share that, and I want to make sure to encourage you to have a good day, because you deserve it, right? You deserve to have a good day. Always rooting for you.